Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a brand new Henry Margu wig called Fiona. And the color on Fiona is 16H. It's very, very pretty. It's light, but it's not like a platinum. It's still a very, very pretty blonde color. I think that this wig is really cool. I think that they came out with this one as kind of like Supra's little sister, because the Supra wig was so popular. It's really, really, really popular. And so they came out with this one to kind of go along with it, you know, a little twist on that mid-length bob kind of cut. This has a really lovely lace front. I'm gonna zoom in on that. My bio hair is very dark, so if you see that pop through, please forgive me, but that's a really nice lace front. It also has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, which I'll show you more of in just a moment. This one only weighs 3.3 ounces, so it's really lightweight. The hair is very silky and you get a pretty natural amount of it. It's a little bit on the shiny side, but that's really, really easy to tame with just a little bit of dry shampoo. The bang on this one is 7 inches, so it's definitely meant to be swept off to the side, but you could always have a stylist cut a bang into it if you want. I recommend a fringe bang for this particular style. The nape is 6 inches, the overall length is 13, so it's right around the shoulders, maybe a little bit shorter. So very, very, very cool. I think that this wig is very comfortable on. It has a little pop of permatease here in the back that gives it structure, but it's not like, oh my gosh, permatease. It's just a little pop, and you can always tell when a wig has that by that shape that it has, but it's not going crazy with it, so I approve. It's just a very nice, lightweight, silky, comfortable little bob. So here is the side, and here's the back. The hair moves very nicely. And there's the side. Now, in general, you know, for me, sometimes the Henry Margu traditional cap wigs can be kind of hit or miss because they have a lot of permatease sometimes and it's like, whoa, you know. But I really love their monofilament wigs. I think that they do a beautiful job with the monofilament features that they have. So as long as you can get past the shine factor, which I know is not a big deal for some people, but for other people it is a deal breaker. As long as you can get past the shine factor, the fiber feels beautiful, it's lightweight, it's durable, it's a very nice fiber. Because the shine, same thing with Noriko wigs, Renee Paris wigs, all that jazz. Anything that's this shiny, it's because they put a lot of silicone on it that kind of like prevents static damage, at least initially. So, you know, that is a good feature to have. It just kind of makes the hair a little shiny, you know. So you just kind of have to weigh the pros with the cons to see what you can live with and what you can live without. But overall, I think this is a super cute style. I like all the layering here on the sides. I find this to be quite flattering on. So I'm going to take this off so I can show you the cap construction, because the cap construction on this one's really nice. As you could probably tell when I had it on, the coverage on the sides is quite good on these Henry Margu wigs. It was doing a pretty decent job of covering up my bio hair, which is quite dark by comparison. The perimeter of this wig is very stretchy, super duper duper stretchy. It stretches like that on both sides, which is awesome. And then you can adjust it with these Velcro adjusters, which I also love. Has a little bit of felt here, slightly extended nape, which is nice. This is where that permatease lives, this little crescent right behind the mono top. But the great thing is that here, I'm gonna try to find the permatease back here. It's a very tiny amount. Like, you really have to search for it to find it. And it's positioned right behind the mono top, which doesn't end where you think, it doesn't end where it does on like a Noriko wig, which is like prematurely. It does end all the way back at the crown. So the hair just kind of naturally falls over the permatease, so it isn't quite as jarring as it can be on some wigs. The lace front is very well done in my opinion. I also really like the mono top. I think that that is also very, very, very well done. I mean, it's a light color, so it's kind of hard to tell, but very, very well done. It has a little bit of felt right behind the mono top. Just very, very stretchy here in the back too, but the perimeter is really where it shines as far as the stretch goes. So now I'm going to go ahead and put Fiona back on so you can see what she looks like and how easy she is to wear. And again, here's what she looks like up close. Very pretty color, very, very pretty style. Pretty decent coverage here on the sides. If you're concerned about that at all, just go ahead and get a color that is either rooted in the same color as your bio hair or is this a similar color to your bio hair. This is the very lovely Fiona wig by Henry Margu in the color 16H. And check out my wig store, CysterWigs.com. That's C-Y-S-T-E-R wigs.com. And again, my name is Heather. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.